What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Want to say what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Saab fans from around the world.
That's right, Saab. So, would you call this black or buffalo gray?
I would call that black.
Would you? Okay,
So guys, just so you guys understand what we're doing here, what's your first name again?
Kelly.
Kelly? Kelly has some leather repair paint, I guess, if you will, to fix some of the wear spots on your leather. So this is good for Saabs and of course any car that has this issue. So go ahead, Kelly, explain to us.
This looks more like gray to me.
Looks gray to you?
Yeah, I have some gray stuff though.
All right.
We can always, you know, if you start with the lighter, you can always go to the darker.
You can always go black, yeah.
First thing to do is clean off, and I'm just using isopropyl alcohol, clean off the area. Usually this is body oils and previous conditioners. And
yeah,
like
I probably have conditioner on there.
That actually do more harm than good.
They do, I know.
And so we'll just clean the area, and it looks like this has been attempted to be repaired already. Somebody put a filler in there and didn't really, you know, sand it off that well.
Yeah, the conditioners actually probably dry out the leather more, don't they?
What happens is you have the natural cracks of the leather.
Yeah.
You put a conditioner in it, it's like slime.
Yeah.
You never get it all off. And then it collects dirt, particles, and when it flexes, it's like a sawing effect, and you eventually get a hole.
All the dirt goes in there.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So let me see if I got a dark gray or something.
So what's this?
This is just there's various brands. This is the stuff I use the most.
Okay.
Furniture Clinic, and it's a balm. See how it's like a jelly almost.
Yeah.
And it's got a dye, and it does have conditioner in it.
I see what you're saying.
It does have a conditioner in it, and but areas that are worn like this, the top surface has been worn off. So the key would be to re-dye it to make it less bad looking, and then cover it with an acrylic matte finish.
Okay.
I'll show you that. So I just dab a little on my finger and rub it in. And you know, it's obviously not going to do anything for the cracks.
Yeah. Well, the cracks is natural, I feel like, right?
Right. And it's just going to make it less noticeable to the eye, because your eye immediately goes to the cracks
Naturally.
that are kind of whitish.
Yep.
Especially down here, you know, there's whitish cracks, and over here. So we just rub this stuff in.
And this is decent leather that Saab used at the time here.
Yeah, it's
The newer generations use like a leather that
the newer generations
suck.
Leather sucked. And
Yeah.
then this one at least is still leather. Most of them are vinyl.
Yep. And then it just peels off and
Yeah. So I'm just rubbing it into the cracks mostly.
Yep.
And then I'm evening out the color. And I can feel it by rubbing it how dry it is. And then what I'll do, and if you think that looks too gray, I can go over it with black. What do you think?
I think it should go black.
Okay.
What do you think?
Let's go black.
Yeah, I think a touch blacker.
Yeah, you can always go a little.
You can mix it a little bit, right?
Yeah. So we'll use black.
You like this? This is good.
See how much blacker it is, but it does actually improve it.
It blended in nice.
Yeah.
He's doing like a leather repair on the fade, on the wear. Looks good.
Yeah.
Does that come off like on your clothing at all? Or, I mean,
No.
does it cure on there?
Well, what you'll see is I'll rub off the excess, and so most of where the dye goes is into the cracks.
It's a dye, okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
to die
Boy, that
compared.
looks
It
really
looks
good.
really good, yeah.
Yeah.
Brings it right back.
Film it.
Yeah. Figured it's good content for everybody. Say what's up to Iron Jello from Chicago.
And I do have some of this on YouTube under Saab Magic Man.
Oh, I followed you before.
Yeah.
I've seen your videos.
Uh-huh.
You have a vegan, right?
I have 2 vegans, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen
Nice.
some of your videos. Nice to see a face to the
Yeah,
channel.
really, same. I look at your stuff too all the time.
Thank you. It's a lot
I
of,
think I'd like to employ your services if you don't have.
Are you
another
here
person.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'd like, let me look at it. I'm looking for, I'm giving a Saab an hour tomorrow.
Okay.
And I'd like to have demonstration.
that looks
You can use
so
mine.
good,
I'd like
Kelly.
to have,
Aero seats. They're not
oh, okay. Black or gray?
black with the gray inserts.
Okay, yeah.
That looks incredible. Looks brand new.
It looks
We're not
new.
finished. I'll show you. I don't have enough of the
ridiculous.
acrylic, but I'll show you what to buy.
Okay. That works.
Can you come to my house and do my couches?
Well, look at this stuff. I buy this stuff from a place called Furniture. Where is it? It's a
Furniture
furniture
Clinic.
clinic.
Can I take a picture?
And then there's many more on the internet that, you know, eBay and Amazon that do the same thing. All right, so after I'm satisfied, are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied. I think it looks a million times better.
I'll just rub the excess off.
Yeah. That's the only spot on the entire 211,000 mile
It looks
car
pretty darn
has an
good.
issue. Yeah. It's really amazing.
So usually what wears is right here, obviously. So I'm going to put a little bit of this acrylic on and show you what to buy
Incredible.
to finish it
Absolutely incredible. Did you wash your car back there?
I took it someplace else.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Which one? Yours?
Yeah, I got it really clean.
That's good. I got
I don't think I'm gonna win anything today.
You want an acrylic top coat,
Okay.
and this is a matte finish. It will start out shiny, but it will dull off after a while.
That's fine.
So I just
But it doesn't actually go away.
No, well, it's the top coat. You know, the seats have a top coat on them now, but you've worn it all off.
Right.
Yeah.
So just take any old rag.
I should probably do this on my 911 because I got cracking and wear on there.
So this is all I do, and I tend to focus on the seams
Okay.
and focus on the wear areas. If this were my car and I had more of this, I'd do the whole panel with this.
Blends it in better.
Yeah. But
And that helps prevent it from
yeah, it's a
wearing
top
off.
coat because the way leather is, this all has a top coat.
Yeah.
It's a color coat and then it's a clear. So it's like the finish on the outside.
Sure, thank you. Are you putting your card in your car? Yeah.
And it will dry clear.
Oh, you go do your thing. Rain is like
And it's, you know, it'll dry matte as well. So, and then I just buff it up a little bit.
And you're going to drive. I had a cell phone. $6 a minute. You'd rather use the radio, which is free. So we put one of these in there so they can tell me where to go. And I had this in there so I could talk to them on that when I start getting on the perimeter of the ring.
Yeah.
They wanted to create a
Amazing.
It's pretty good, huh?
There you go, guys.
And I say never use conditioner.
That's right.
303 is the way to go.
303 conditioner.
303. It's
Whatever
a
it is.
protectant. It's a UV protectant.
Yeah.
That's the way to go.
Aerospace protectant.
Yep.
Pretty sweet, guys, right? Oh, dude, saving Saabs is alive.
How's it going, buddy?
Alive for another day. How you feeling this morning? All right, champing it out.
Isopropyl alcohol.
There you go, guys.
Yeah, you can go all the way up to, you know, 100% alcohol if you want, but
That looks really awesome.
it does look good, doesn't it?
Amazing.
And the thing is with these seats, you know, the eye is directed towards defects.
Yeah,
Initially. You know, if you look close, you still see the defects there.
sure. I see it.
The eye doesn't go immediately to them. All right?
Incredible. Thank you. Awesome, guys.